This method can help you earn $1,285 by doing nothing if you follow each step in this video. To earn money without effort, you need to copy this money-making system, which will generate income even while you sleep. Setting it up takes only 5 minutes. Start by visiting Etsy.com, an e-commerce platform where you can buy and sell handmade or vintage items like jewelry, bags, clothing, art, and more. Etsy is available in many countries and continues to expand. First, register on Etsy by clicking on the sign-in option in the top right corner, then selecting Register. Fill in your email, first name, and password, or use Google, Facebook, or Apple for a quicker process. Confirm your account via the confirmation email to complete registration. Once logged in, type digital planner in the search box. You'll see sellers offering digital planners for $14, $16, or $17. These planners can earn thousands of dollars without requiring inventory management because they are digital products. For example, a seller with minimal reviews has likely earned over $5,000. To start selling, visit low-content-pl or printables.com, which offers free PL or private label rights digital planners. Hover over the Category tab, select Free PL or Printables, and scroll to find free digital products. Choose one, such as a planner, and click View Details, then visit Supplier to download it. Enter your name and email, confirm your subscription via email, and download the planner for free. Return to Etsy, click Sell on Etsy at the bottom, and set up your shop for 20 cents per product listing for 4 months. Other fees, like transaction and payment processing, will be deducted from sales, leaving the remaining amount credited to your account. Set up your shop by providing basic information, selecting a unique shop name, and creating a product listing. Once completed, your shop and planner will go live, allowing you to earn passive income. To get $100 for free to cover Etsy fees, watch the next video linked on the screen.